Hi everyone, welcome back to Fleecimals Friday. I'm Michelle with Fleecimals, and we are going to do another fun video today. In our last video, we made some really cute fall DIYs using a lot of Dollar Tree and affordable products, and you guys seem to really enjoy that, so we thought we would do it again, because we enjoyed it too. So let's jump right into it. For our first DIY, I have this old jar. I think I got it at a thrift store years ago, and I figured it would be fun to spruce it up for fall. First thing I did was grab some of these gold leaves and glued the three ends together to create a triangle. I then dropped in this cute pumpkin candle from Dollar Tree and started filling around with different picks. The Dollar Tree has a lot of different fun picks for fall and soon Christmas, including these little berries which are orange and maroon and green, which are perfect for fall. And then I found some vase filler in these cute little plastic pumpkins which come in a variety of colors, and I decided to put one of each color in between each section of berries. So I've got kind of three sections going on, so I just like to make everything kind of equal. I also have these cute little flowers which I used in part 1 of the video with Dexter. And I have 3 little flowers. I'm going to put one in each of the sections. Years ago, I picked up this really cute fall ribbon, and I'm going to use this around the base of my glass. I first thought it would look kind of cute at the top, but I think at the bottom looks so much better. Once I cut a strip the correct size, I just put a little dot of glue on one end and wrap it around and secure it in place. And this is how the final jar came out. I think this is one of my favorite crafts because it was just so relaxing to do. And if you can't find this pumpkin, you could always use another. Sometimes the craft idea spawns from the item you find itself. And these cute little gingham pumpkins just made me think that these could be the perfect little place-setting name tags. I grabbed some thicker cardstock, and with a metallic marker, I wrote the word thankful in cursive, and with a fine point Sharpie, I then wrote for and then the person's name. I repeated this for all of the place settings that I wanted to make. I cut these into asymmetrical shapes, not just because they're cute, but it's also a lot easier than trying to make them perfect. Now these pumpkins come with 8 in a bag, 4 orange and 4 black. I decided for my place settings I really enjoyed the orange. This matches a lot better with my decor, but I know that black and white gingham is perfect for that farmhouse look. I'm using my favorite Dollar Tree double-sided tape to just add these little names onto the pumpkins. And again, because I made them asymmetrical, I don't have to stick them on perfectly at 90 degrees. I found this really cute twine ribbon in the garden section, and I thought it would just be the perfect final touch onto the pumpkin. I think it's because it matches that faux burlap border perfectly. I'm just gonna hot glue this right to the top edge of the little cardstock piece, and then I'll go around and clean up the side edges by adding a little bit of hot glue and trimming off the edges. You can leave these as is or glue on one of Dollar Tree's wooden rings to create a napkin ring, or you can glue on a clothespin so you can clip it onto the napkins like I did. Now that I have my full set, let's go decorate the table. I think these came out perfect for any fall gatherings you have, and with Thanksgiving coming up, these would be a great addition to your tablescape. I have 2 of these signs, and actually one was used in part 1, so go check that out if you haven't. The other one I'm going to make into just a simple fall design. I really didn't know where I wanted to go with this, but I gathered all of the fall DIY supplies that I had and kind of played around with placing, and eventually decided on this really pretty metallic leaf tool, and I added that to the base. The Dollar Tree had this tool and other colors. I looked at trying to put it up vertically, but it just didn't quite look right with the extra layering. And when I tried to put a second row, I couldn't align it perfect. So I decided to start on the top, which I knew I wanted to use this cute plaid bow. When we were shopping around for extra DIY supplies, we found this beautiful brown glitter leaf, and so we picked up a 2-pack, as well as some other bright colored florals like this big flower, and of course I grabbed one of their little packs of cranberries. And then I just arranged until I was happy with how it looked. I carefully removed the arrangement at the bottom so that way I could work at the very top and add some more of this beautiful metallic tool. After securing down in the back, I just trimmed out the holes so I could reattach the twine hanger. I then went through and glued on all of the pieces that I had already planned out to finish up this design. The fun part of DIYing is kind of playing around and figuring out what you like best. And here is the final piece. We hope you enjoyed this DIY video. If you haven't seen the first one, be sure to click up above so you can watch those DIYs. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to give it a like and comment down below which one was your favorite, which you might try, and which one you might put your own spin on. Be sure to share this video with a family member or friend who you think might enjoy it, and hit that subscribe button if you do like watching our content. That little bell next to it, I know you hear it a lot, but definitely click that so you're notified when we post, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!